To transfer money from a paper account to TapTap Send, it's essential to note that there is currently no direct integration between the two platforms, making it impossible to send money directly from one to the other. However, there are indirect methods that can be used to achieve this. One approach is to withdraw money from the paper account to a bank account, which can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the bank. To do this, log into the paper account, go to the wallet, select the transfer option, choose to withdraw to a bank account, and then complete the transfer to the bank account linked to the TapTap Send account. Once the money is in the bank account, it can be transferred to the TapTap Send account by opening the app and using the link Bank to fund transactions, following the on-screen instructions. Another method is to use a debit card linked to the paper account to withdraw funds, which can then be used directly to fund TapTap Send transactions, eliminating the need to transfer money from the paper account to the bank account first. This process can be completed by transferring money from the paper account to the debit card and then using the card to fund TapTap Send transactions.